Samsung dryers showing an error code? Here's exactly what each one means. Error code TE or TE3, temperature error. The thermistor is reading wrong, usually caused by a clogged lint screen or restricted vent airflow. Clean the lint filter and check the external vent first. If it persists, the thermistor needs replacing. $100 to $200. Error code heat or HC, heater error. Problem with the heating circuit. Usually a failed heating element or blown thermal fuse. Element replacement runs $150 to $250. Error codes DC, DA, or DF, door error. The dryer thinks the door is open. Check for clothing caught in the latch. Try opening and closing firmly. If it won't clear, the door switch needs replacing. About $100 to $150. Error code B, stuck button. A control panel button is physically jammed. Press each one. Power off for 30 seconds, power back on. Pro tip, for any Samsung error code, try a hard reset first. Unplug for 60 seconds, plug back in. Clears temporary glitches about 20% of the time without needing parts. Most Samsung dryer problems trace back to clogged vents. Samsung dryers are more sensitive to airflow restrictions than other brands. Get the vent cleaned first. Same-day Samsung dryer repair. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.